After launching the Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, Google preparing for next flagship Google Pixel 3 2018. https://goo.gl/62qnx8 The first details about Google Pixel 3 for 2018. The announcement of smartphones Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL took place less than a month ago, and the network already had the first details about the device's line Pixel 3rd generation Google Pixel 3. By tradition, Google assigns each device a code name in honor of the fish. For example, Google Pixel 2 many weeks appeared as walleye and Pixel XL as titan. The addition of Droid Light published 3 code names, behind which the novelties of 2018 are hidden. As before, Google will give them names in honor of the fish, crosshatch of the 4 blue line. It is alleged that the smartphones belong to the premium segment, and the third will become a sub-flagship with advanced characteristics. Curiously, this year many expected the debut of another smartphone Pixel Muskie, but the company for unknown reasons postponed the release. The characteristics of Google Pixel 3 and Pixel XL 3 are not officially disclosed, but expected phone specifications and characteristics are mentioned below. Probably the gadgets are in the stage of early prototypes.